At Master Aluminum, we know every step in the manufacturing process is essential, which is why we source our aluminum directly from the mill and see each job to its completion in-house, including powder coating. Not all powder coat finishes are alike. There are many differences in how the powder coater prepares, coats, and ultimately finishes the job. These variables can significantly impact the look and longevity of the final product. We make sure each shutter is properly cleaned and free of any oil or debris that could hinder the powder adhesion through a 5-step process. This process includes acid etching, rinsing with deionized water, and applying a sealant to further enhance the powder's adhesion. Once the shutters are adequately prepared, they are placed into our on-site convection oven to ensure the aluminum is completely dry inside and out. Our powder coating team has over 20 years of experience. Their expertise allows us to overcome unique challenges in powder coating louvered shutters, one of the most challenging products to powder coat. The powder is applied such that after it is baked in the oven, it maintains a thickness of 25 to 35 mils. Once the shutters or other parts cool down, the powder thickness is regularly checked with an electronic mill gauge. Why is this important? Because the even coverage and thickness of the powder can dramatically affect the life of the product. In summary, we take great pride in the quality and workmanship of the shutters we produce. So much so that we brought the powder coating in-house to ensure a finished product with a long-lasting powder coat finish second to none.